Hi, I'm Peter at Steering Creations. We're going to try to make a video to show how to put the horn button on the 284 wheel for IO80 and the all-wood pad steering wheel. So I've got the steering wheel, how it comes to you. We've got a 814 hub for demonstration. So everything's straight out of the box as you should get it. It's got the horn button with the cup for the inside, the steering wheel with the wood pad, and I took the hub out of the box. It comes with two pieces, screw kit and the bolts. So we'll put it together, show you how to mount the steering wheel onto the hub kit with the horn button attached. Start with the hub kit. Mount the screws in the bottom side. That'll be ready to put the steering wheel on. I'm using 2 screws for demonstration, but there's 4 screws on the back of the steering wheel. Got to take the wood pad off first. Mount the steering wheel onto the hub. And the cup goes on to the top of the steering wheel. These nuts will get tightened down for actual installation, tighter than I'm going to do for the demonstration. Then you mount the pad back on.
Show us what it looks like, Peter. Okay.
So we've got the hub on the back, mounted through the cap on top of the wheel with the cup that came with the hub horn button. Screws are inside, tightened down. Then the pad's placed on top. Again, just using 2 screws for demonstration. The feet on the horn button may need to be adjusted, just put in, make a tight fit. We found that pulling them out slightly helps it grip a little better. And there you go.